Good morning, y'all. Today we got a pretty cool video planned for y'all. We're actually going to go tear down a mobile home today. Waiting on Chris to get here with the dump trailer and the truck, and we're going to head that way. We'll keep y'all posted along the way. All right, Busby's here to pick me up on the truck and dump trailer. We're headed to tear down a mobile home. All right, we're here. That's the victim down there. Go get a closer look. All right, so this is the house we're tearing down. It's a mobile home, probably, what do you think, Chris? 60 foot long, maybe?
Yeah, probably about 60.
About, I don't know, 12 foot wide. Yeah, real big. Check out that oak tree, though. That joker's massive. Look how close to the house it is. So we're gonna try not to damage this tree. That tree and the tree just on the other side right there are coming out. But we don't want to damage the big one. When the power's been disconnected, unless they got underground running somewhere I don't know about. There's a door unlocked on the other side, Chris. I don't know how the stick got in here, but there it is. Look, the bed's made. That's kind of weird, isn't it? But yeah, the floor's not too bad in this thing. Got some old furniture in here. That all takes up space in the dump trailer, so you go look at that when you're bidding. But it's the roof's falling in right there. Tables and chairs. Refrigerator. I wonder if that's got any food in it. And coffee pot. Basically what me and Chris are doing, we're not plundering. We're making sure nobody's in here before we start crunching the trailer up. You always do that anytime you're tearing a building down. Alright, here we go. I don't know how I'm gonna hold this camera in, tear this house down, but we'll try to figure something out. Alright, so the first thing I gotta do is get this stump, that little brush pile, and those azaleas in front of that house right there so I can get Chris on my dump trailer down in here to get the trash. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so Chris is trying to find the septic tank. He's using a probing rod, and he's demonstrating the proper way to use a probing rod. Just like a pry bar, right?
Yeah.
If it won't go on the ground, you just hit it with something. There you go. Just stab it. Pry it. There you go. So we're looking for the septic tank because we don't want to fall in one today. It's not much fun.
All right, Matt's fixing to start tearing it down. Slowly tearing it apart. I'm working on the bathroom right now. Coming apart fairly easy. Packed in the trailer. Goes the refrigerator. Getting it crushed up. Well, there's the kitchen. See, it's good now.
Alright, we got the kitchen gone. Chris leaving with the first load. I didn't load it real heavy on the back. The doors are so messed up on my dump trailer that we don't really worry about loading the back as much. That's like a 20-yard trailer, but you see the living room in there, you see all the furniture. So I started taking the roof in, and then I pushed this wall into it, crunched it all up, loaded it up. There's a back bedroom right there left. The kitchen had the most walls in it, so I wanted to get it out of the way. Now I can cave stuff in and drag it this way and just have this as my little loadout spot. Try to keep everything on top of the floors. If you do that, it's a lot easier to clean up. You can, when you get done, you can kind of wipe it up real good. And then all you got to do is take that subfloor out, kind of peel it up, and them 2x6s, take them off the frame. Then we'll take the frame, kind of wad it up, probably take it to a scrap yard. I mean, you won't get $10 for it, but at least you ain't got to pay to dump it. So we'll keep you posted.